Hello viewers, today I'll discuss about another new Joomla extension, that is a responsive post carousel. This is a nice post carousel. If you check this, here is a screenshot of it, and its cost is very simple, only $10 for lifetime update. And a responsive post carousel is an amazing carousel plugin for Joomla that allows you to showcase your post in a nice sliding manner. It has plenty of extremely user-friendly options to configure the carousel easily, and feature it has fully responsive. It says it's fully responsive. Joomla 3x, it is compatible with Joomla latest version. Browser supported all types of browser. 100% responsive, lightweight, faster, full autoplay on off, control autoplay speed. We will check these features from the Joomla extension, and this is supported platform. This is one supported platform, and let's see how it works. First, we will install it. Already I installed it. You already know how to install it. My extension, manage, install, then install your module after downloading. So after then, you just make sure activate it. Yes. And from here you will see there are many options. So one is Joomla contents, category options, select your article order options, and count options, how many sliding items you want to show, carousel typography options, and there is color settings, font settings, controller settings, and image settings. If you make sure your image height is same, you need image settings, and there is an advanced section. You can add animation. There is a custom animation already there, and responsive settings, how many items you keep for like mobile settings, viewport size for 500 pixel, for 500 pixels, how many items you want to keep for 600 pixel. You can control it from here. It's a very nice module, I say. It is the best Joomla module for post carousel. So first, let's try with we see the demo here. So from demo you will see that this post carousel plugin is working here, and how can I set up it for my website. For first I will go module section, then from source I will select category. You can select more than one category. I just select one category, that is a responsive post carousel. I already created here. If you check this, I have created it, this category here, and under that category I just put some articles, and if you check this, I am showing you one articles, and like this is post carousel 4, post carousel 3, post carousel 2, post carousel 1, and you will see there is a 4 post carousel 4, post carousel 3, post carousel 2, post carousel 1. This is the article, and from this is showing up article, and I make sure that there is only 5 articles. Show this on this slider. You can put it like 100. There is no limitation of it, as this is a pro version. And you can put article length. If you check, there is article length. Here is some article length. It is showing up there. Then it is showing up read more button. So you can adjust it according to your need. You can less it, like if you want to put it to 15. How we will see how it is happening here. 15. Then you will see. Let's refresh it. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, you see, read more. This is 15. Is showing up characters, and description length is showing up 15. So this is small. You can increase it or decrease it according to your need. You can increase count number. I put 441, and another thing is, then I will discuss about carousel typography, and here you see this is the color section. This is not showing the this is color section is showing up this one, and you can change it global color, like if you want to put it like this one, 7. We'll use global color, and global color means it will change everything. Read mode, this is according to your theme. You can change your color. Okay, so you see color is changed, read more button color is changed. So there is a hover color. So if your theme like using this one is your hover color, something like this, you can put it like, you can save it, and you just make sure. Yes, and now if you change it, and you will see this is the blue, the global hover color is changed. So title font size, you can increase title font size. This is the title font size, and this is the standard is 16, but you can use it according to your theme need. So this one is like I will just put 20, and you see the title is increased. So I just say you keep it 16 because it is showing up nice. Second is hide show button. So if you click navigation button, so custom navigation button, you will see it from here. Let's see. Okay, so this one is showing up, and hide navigation show, and you can hide navigation from here. So if you want to remove this navigation, let's see it. Yes, hide navigation is hide, but sliding is going on. So you just adjust, you just stop loop, you just stop all this autoplay. You can just time out your slow down your slider. And for image height, and here is image height, custom image height is given is 180. So you see image height is automatically responsive, and you can increase it or decrease it according to your need. So there is this is the animation settings, and if you check this, this animation, you will see it is spread in left. So this one. Now if you bounce in like this one, if you choose it bouncing, let's see what happened. You see, this is the bouncing your article. So this is the responsive settings. Let's see this extension is responsive or not. From our view, it shows that this article is fully responsive. If you check this, this one is fully responsive, and so everything is working fine. Now if you want article order or newest or oldest article, so you just choose oldest article. You just choose oldest article, then you will see what is happening here. So this is you see carousel 1, carousel 2, carousel. This is adjusting the article 1. And one thing you remember, if you need any type of help, you just email me ashik685@gmail.com. I am the developer of this extension, so you can ask me on YouTube, or you can ask me on my Facebook group, and check our developer extension, or you can ask for support here. And this is our there is a support contact form. So you see every option is working fine with this extension, like mobile settings, viewport settings according to your need. You can choose it here, either show buttons, and this is an upgradable extension, and I am the developer, so I will develop it. More and more options adding it. If you suggest me that you needed any options after buying it, I will put it here. That's not a big deal, and I will show you how this image is showing up. So if you go with articles, any articles, open up your articles. You just it's very simple. I'm showing you. You just put any text on your text field, and then for image and links, that you just add an image with I mean, if you check post carousel 4, this is an image of with this one, post carousel 4. And now if you check this is the post carousel 4. So this is the image. You can add it, and it will not show up if you click on read more button. Let's see if it works or not. If you click on read more button, you see this is go for post carousel. So you just, if you add it any image, it will show up it here. And if you go with post carousel 4, it will show up post carousel 4. So everything is working fine with this extension. It's a nice extension, cool extension. You can buy it, and its price is very low, only $10. So you can buy it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.